We went to a kegger in Saganasty, and everybody thought they were good at beer pong, but me and Harley showed up, so they sucked at beer pong because we won. And then nobody else wanted to play because we won so much.
And the keg went dry.
Then we drank the whole keg.
And they did fireworks.
The fireworks.
I forgot about the fireworks.
Fireworks.
Mortars.
Mortars.
Saginaw.
Saganasty.
In the city.
In the city.
It's not even pointing at me. And had a bonfire too in the backyard in the city.
In the city.
With a whole bunch of gas.
Gas.
Kyle almost threw it on me.
Kyle almost burnt him, accidentally did the fire challenge.
No, I didn't. I don't want to do the fire challenge. That's not a cool challenge. That's a stupid ass challenge.
We did the ice bucket challenge, but better.
Yep. Both got that done this weekend.
Derek's got to do it.
Yes, he does.
My brother's got to do it.
Yeah.
There's some windmills over there.
Look at this Passat. Wave at him with the camera.
Passat, gonna wave at them. They probably won't wave back though.
Not too fast.
They were old as fuck.
They were what?
Old as fuck. It's about to rain again.
Right, went through one torrential downpour. I can't speak today because I need energy. And to get energy, don't tell Brian. I'm opening the pop. My knee on the wheel. Alright, we're good now.
Okay.
So, to get energy, I have to drink Monsters. Monsters, holy shit, it's downpouring up there. Monsters fuel my life. They give me what I need. They give me good energy.
Don't tell Brian.
Don't tell Brian. I didn't do that. They give me good energy. Monster Energy.
Energy.
They pay me money to drink Monster because I have a tattoo. Look, they got a whole trailer. All they do is hold one tire. What's the point of that? I just put it in the back of the car.
Stupid bastard. It's raining up there, and we're gonna have to drive through it. And we have a heavy load right now.
Heavy load. Got 2 kayaks.
2 yaks.
2 yaks. 4
440s.
Yeah.
2 fishing poles. Weed whacker.
We got 2 rifles in the back here.
Two rifles, a blow dart gun, a fridge, ghillie suit.
Yeah, we got the ghillie suit. Yeah, I gotta do something with that. We got the 45 back there. We got a whole bunch of ammo.
45.
So if we get into trouble on the highway, we're set. We got guns, ammo, ghillie suit, whatchamacallit.
Yep. Don't tell Brian though.
Yeah, don't tell Brian. Don't tell Brian at all. And so like the zombie apocalypse happened. We're traveling right now. Fuck the zombies. We're killing. We're set. Like this Mazda 3, this piece of shit.
POS.
We're passing it.
We're going to Ithaca. Fuck you. And let me fix this flower. There we go.
Tell Brian.
Yeah, don't tell Brian about that right there.
Oh, this guy broke down. I said wave to him, don't laugh. That's rude. What if that was us?
It wouldn't be us.
What if it was us?
If it was us, it'd be fine because we got guns, fridge, ghillie suit,
We got a fridge in here too.
kayaks.
And a rubber duck.
Oh, weed whack. Oh yeah, we got the ducky too. Get close up on the duck.
We got a rubber duck.
Okay,
What else is there to say?
I don't know. We didn't tell Brian. Okay.
I inhaled it instead of drinking it, so I had to burp it back up and then swallow it. You know what I mean?
He always swallows it.
Oh, I love to.
Spitters are quitters.
Spinners are quitters. Swallowers are followers. I just came up with that.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
I could be a rapper one day. I could be a rapper, you know that?
Yeah?
I'm good at rapping. Why do you fart? The windows are up. Stop calling me, Mom! Gosh, that's like what, 4th time now since we got on the highway?
Yeah. Hey, what else is there?
Clothes, swimming trunks.
No. You gotta tell them about the trip.
Oh, the trip, okay. We went yakking.
We yacked off. We fished, didn't catch shit. Chuck Norris caught all the fish.
Yeah, we went to 3 different lakes. Trout House and Oyster, which really nobody knows what it is. Well, Jamie knows what it is. But, went to that kegger and my sister's boyfriend's house. Kicked ass at beer pong, of course. Shot the rifles and shit this weekend.
Oh yeah, your dad racked himself.
Yeah.
His dad racked himself pretty
Shot
good.
the 30-30 and
Split
got
his shit
third
open.
eye from the scope. What the hell is this thing here?
It's a lift.
Oh, I'm
It's a
on it.
hoist. It's a hoist. Anyways,
Why does he get a hoist?
I don't fucking know.
I'm on a hoist.
But yeah, his
I
sister.
found out that.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. I found out that this truck hydroplanes like a son of a bitch.
yeah, don't tell Brian.
Yeah, it hydroplanes it. I don't like it. Hopefully mine don't do that when I get mine.
But his sister shot his gun, almost smoked herself in the fucking mouth.
Yeah. She didn't hold it tight. I'm gonna kick back and got her right in the forehead almost. Look at these quads. Look at these quads on a trailer. This has got a mirror. Are they old?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, what else did we did?
I don't know. Got some windmills.
We.
Windmills. Oh, we figured out that this truck has satellite radio.
Oh yeah, satellite radio.
It's free.
It's serious.
Brian said never use it. He never said don't use it. So.
So don't tell him.
Yeah, don't tell Brian.
Okay.
Cool. Look at this. Look at that car. Buick. That's an Obama sticker running off the road.
There's some kind of assholes or something. Bitches.
Why is everybody old?
Ooh, I don't fucking know.
Saw a sweet ass semi hauling a long ass flatbed. It had probably like what?
20 quads.
20
and
quads.
a couple
on
RTVs.
It. Couple, yeah, UTV or not UTVs.
R.
Huh?
RTV.
RTVs. Talk about RTVs. We don't have any TVs.
No, not RTVs. R. The letter R.
Yeah.
The letter T.
Oh.
The letter V.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh.
Hello.
And then,
It was smoking really fucking
yeah,
bad.
the engine on the semi was like blowing up. It was smoking bad. Like, horrible. It, like, blew up, sitting there, all the quads. I would have took the trailer with us, put it in the back, take the quads.
We committed a couple felonies.
Shut up, don't say that.
Don't tell Brian.
Don't tell anything about that. It's top secret.
Alright, I didn't say that.
We didn't commit any felonies. We went house shopping while we were up here, but instead of writing down the numbers to call, we just took the for sale signs with us so we'd have the numbers and the address. So we just used that. That's not stealing. That's house hunting.
Yeah.
And we found a couple of road signs sitting in the middle of an intersection. They were just sitting right there. It was kind of weird, so we grabbed them. And I got a kiddie pool for Sophia until the dog pops it. That was a nice pool. Look at that truck. Chevy Silverado.
But fuck your mom in one. Oh man. It's a big cloud.
Yeah.
Brian thinks his arrow's gonna hold, but
It's pretty
it's not.
bad.
Yeah.
It's not even vertical anymore. It's almost parallel.
Yeah. Horizontal.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
You know what parallel is?
Parallel with the truck.
Look at that.
Oh, GTO!
You know.
68!
It's a good tell.
68 GTO. Whoa. Oh, mama. Stop it.
Don't tell Brian.
That's like the theme of the week. I don't even do nothing.
Yeah, I
Don't
know.
tell Brian. It'll make him wonder. What did they do? What they don't want to tell me? We didn't do anything wrong. We just want you to think we did, so they don't just be bugging the shit out of you. Oh shit, this car's slow down fast.
What an asshole. We're only going not even 70. Oh wait, 71. The speed limit's 55. That's why.
Oh, is it now? I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Freaking talking on the thing, talking to each other, and it's like, oh shit, speed limit went way down. I didn't realize that we were going
Wrong way.
70 miles an hour in a 55.
55.
But look at this shit. Set the cruise. Look at that cruise now. 70 miles an hour in a 55. Look at that.
Brian texted.
Brian texted.
Oh,
Hit the button right here.
don't tell him.
What did he say?
Yeah, what kind?
Oh. Just type in there. Type in. Don't tell Brian. What's this car doing? Really, you gotta cut me off again?
Don't tell Brian. Don't tell Brian. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
What are we talking about now? What else are we talking about?
We're going back to the creek now.
To the creek?
Yep. I got a Snapchat.
Was that moves? Did she take her covers off?
Oh no, she didn't snap me back after that.
Oh man, that's funny. Come on, Civic, get over! Flash your brakes at me. I run these streets.
Streets of Greenville, Chesapeake.
Alright, stop record. Oh wait, we gotta get this mud truck on there.
Well, not truck.
Right there.
The one on
the trailer.
Okay.
Get the camera ready.
Okay, camera is ready.
Camera is ready for this trailer. It is raining up there. I do not know if it will be downpouring. Oh, I forgot you're still recording.
Okay. Go faster.
I'm going 15 over the speed limit right now, man.
So,
16 over the speed limit.
they're going like 25 over the speed
No, they
limit.
ain't, dude. That's not a mud truck. That's a piece of shit truck.
It's just a half a truck.
Heifer. It's a heifer. It's a halfie.
Like my owner.
Oh, look at the flaps on the back. Look at those fucking.
Half truck.
Half truck. But
Damn, that motherfucker was sagging.
yeah.
Okay. We'll take another video later when we get closer.
Okay. Goodbye.